Hello future engineers, for this video let's solve another past electrical engineering board exam question, specifically in the subject electrical engineering. Here's the problem. A resistor R and inductance L are connected in parallel to 120 volts 60 Hz source. The total current drawn is 17 amperes and the total power drawn is 1.8 kilowatts. Find the inductance L. So first, let's draw our circuit. So the resistor R is connected in parallel with the inductor L. Now that we already have our circuit, let's solve for the ohmic value of R first using the formula E is equal to V squared over R. So our R is equal to V squared over P. So it says the total power drawn is 1.8 kilowatts and our source is 120 volts. So R is equal to 120 squared all over 1,800. So this is equal to 120 squared 1,800. This is equal to 8 ohms. Next, let's calculate the current flowing in the resistor now that we have our R. So, the current flowing in the resistor is equal to V over R. So, this is equal to 120 over 8. So, this is equal to 15 amperes. Next, let's calculate the current flowing in the inductor. So, let's say I sub L. So, remember, the total current I sub T is equal to the phasor sum of the current I sub R and I sub L. So I sub T is equal to I sub R plus I sub L. Remember, this is a complex number. So I sub T squared is equal to I sub R squared plus I sub L squared. So, it says that the total current is 17 amperes. So, 17 squared is equal to the current flowing in the resistor is 15 amperes. So, we can now solve the current flowing in the inductor. So, I sub L is equal to square root of 17 squared minus 15 squared. And this is equal to 8 amperes. So, remember that the current flowing in the inductor is equal to the voltage all over the inductive reactance. And our inductive reactance is equal to 2 pi times the frequency times the inductance. Now, since it's a parallel connection, the resistor and the inductor are connected in parallel, then RV here is also 120 volts. So, let's substitute this 2 pi FL in the place of XL. So, I sub L is equal to V all over 2 pi FL. So, let's manipulate it to solve for the value of L. So 2 pi FL L is equal to V all over 2 pi F I sub L. Now this is equal to 120 all over 2 pi times the frequency 60 times the current flowing in the inductor. which is 8 amperes. So this is equal to 20 over 2 pi times 60 times 8. So that is equal to 0.0397 Henry. So the answer for this problem is letter D, 0.04 Henry. This is approximately 0.04 Henry. So that's all for this video. Thank you for watching, and guys, please consider subscribing to help my channel grow. God bless.